Welcome to the lock-in. I'm just back off holiday and now I've got this round padlock, 73mm round padlock and hasp, also known as a puck lock. The sort of lock you might find on a van or a container. And we'll see, we'll open this up and see if we can open the lock without the key. And there's the keys, there's the bitting on the keys. Let's open it up. It is locked up. We'll just try the keys, make sure it works. There we are, locked up again. Right, let's see if we can't open this one up. And to keep it fair, we'll leave it as it is, locked up there. Find something suitable to tension it with. It seems okay. Try and get an offset diamond into it. It's a very awkward angle to try and pick. It really does change the feedback that you get when you hold your pick this way. But we've done it, that was quite easy actually. So that's the Marksman round padlock, otherwise known as a puck lock, opened. And make sure you only pick locks that you own and keep it legal.